10 points, and you could be legally barred from driving for 6 months. A single driving under the influence offense may be enough to reach that threshold. Here is what every Jamaican driver needs to understand about the new demerit point system. Jamaican motorists are being warned that repeated traffic violations could soon result in the suspension of their driver's license under the government's demerit point system. The system, scheduled to take effect on October 1st, 2026, will assign points to a motorist's driving record whenever the driver commits a specified traffic offense. The number of points imposed will depend on the seriousness of the violation. Once a driver accumulates the prescribed number of points, the Island Traffic Authority will be required to suspend that person's license. The government says the measure is intended to encourage greater compliance with traffic laws, reduce repeat offending, and improve safety across Jamaica's road network. How the system will work. More serious offenses will attract higher demerit points. Driving under the influence of alcohol or drugs, for example, will attract 10 points, enough to trigger the lowest level of license suspension from a single offense. Dangerous or reckless driving may attract between 6 and 10 points, depending on the nature and severity of the violation. Disobeying a traffic light or stop sign will result in 6 points, while major speeding offenses will also attract 6 points. Other frequently committed offenses will carry lower but still consequential penalties. For example, driving under the influence, 10 demerit points. Dangerous or reckless driving, 6 to 10 points. Disobeying a traffic light or stop sign, 6 points. Major speeding violation, 6 points. Driving without insurance, 4 points. Using a mobile phone while driving, 3 points. Driving without a valid certificate of fitness, another 3 points. Failing to wear a seatbelt, 2 points. Although offenses such as failing to wear a seatbelt or using a mobile phone carry fewer points, drivers could quickly reach a suspension threshold if they commit those violations repeatedly or accumulate points from several different offenses. When will a license be suspended? Under Section 32 of Jamaica's Road Traffic Act, the length of a suspension will increase according to the number of points accumulated. 10 to 13 points will be 6 months, 14 to 19 points, 1 year, 20 points or more, 2 years. The suspension takes effect after the driver has been formally served with a suspension notice. The affected motorist must then surrender the license to the relevant authority within 21 days. Although the driver retains the right to appeal to the Road Traffic Appeal Tribunal. A person who accumulates more than 20 points must also be retested to demonstrate competence to drive before the license can be reinstated. Suspension is not cancellation. A license suspension does not permanently cancel or revoke a driver's license. Instead, it temporarily removes the motorist's legal authority to drive for the specified period. During that time, the suspended license has no legal effect. A person who continues driving while suspended could face further sanctions and place the license at risk of revocation. Revocation is more serious than suspension. If a license is revoked, the affected person may be required to wait before applying for a new one and could have to satisfy additional licensing requirements. Government promises zero tolerance. The government has indicated that enforcement will be firm once the system becomes operational. Transport Minister Darrell Vaz has described the measure as an important part of the national effort to curb dangerous driving and strengthen accountability among road users. The demerit system is designed to focus not only on individual violations, but also on patterns of behavior. A motorist who repeatedly speeds, ignores traffic signals, drives while distracted, or operates an unfit or uninsured vehicle could accumulate enough points to lose driving privileges, even if no single offense initially results in suspension. For motorists, the message is straightforward. Every offense will count. Responsible driving, compliance with traffic signals, valid vehicle documentation, and avoiding mobile phone use behind the wheel will become even more important when the system takes effect. Subscribe today, turn on notifications, and never miss the stories that matter most. Jamaica News Now, your Highlands, your news, right now.